Over the past 2 months, I have spent a lot of money. I bought a new desk, a new aircon, even new glasses. Pretty nice. But most importantly, and most expensively, and most wallet-breakingly, yeah, that is a new word from now on. I just invented that new word, wallet-breakingly. I have spent a lot of money on toys as usual, nothing new. So yeah, let's check them out. First, I'm gonna take a look at the more interesting part of the haul. We're gonna take a look at my very first direct order from Bandai. Premium Bandai. Not too long ago, Bandai established an official Bandai market in Southeast Asia. They launched an official Bandai channel through the Shopee platform where customers from Singapore, the Philippines, and I think even Indonesia can order Bandai products. So if you're looking for anything Bandai, go check that out if you're in the region. The delivery took about 6 months, which made sense because that was the pre-order phase. I must say, I'm very, very satisfied with the delivery. The boxes were undamaged, and they were able to do that without even using bubble wrap. There was no bubble wrap in the packaging, but at the same time, they were able to avoid damage. All they did was put some paper on top of the boxes, and that apparently was enough to protect everything. The first thing I'm going to show you is the greatest anime MILF of all time. This is the real grade Ava 01 3.0 plus 1.0 version. It has a brighter green than the normal one. It's a very, very fluorescent, very, very bright green. And as for the purple color, it's more vibrant than the original release, but it still has that regular semi-gloss plastic finish. It's not high gloss, or at least it doesn't look like it to me, and it's definitely not metallic. But of course, the highlight of this kit is that this comes with the Spear of Caius, which Ava 01 did have in the movie. So that's one very important thing to note. I have not yet built an Ava 01 real grade, but I have heard very good things about it, so I am very excited to actually put this together. Next, we have the Reborn 100 Gundam Lindworm from Gundam Build Diver's Genius Headline. This is a design that I actually fell in love with at first sight. It just looks so good. It made good use of the Bawu base. I mean, I'm not gonna say that it looks better than the Zeta. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna hate me if I say that, but it looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? For me, it's always interesting to see mobile suits cosplay as other mobile suits. I mean, we've seen that a lot in the Build series, and they did that with this. This is basically a Bawu cosplaying as the Zeta, and in my opinion, they pulled it off very well. And this is gonna be my second RE kit ever. My first one is actually right here, the GP04 Gerbera. Yeah. Put that back. They actually don't make new kits from this line anymore. This is really just a special case because they were able to reuse the Bawu base. I'm still excited for it. I'm not gonna expect a lot in terms of technology, but I really love the way it looks. So that's that. Yeah, that's it for my Bandai haul. Now let's move on to stuff I got from Good Smile Company. First, I want to talk about this very underrated anime. This is Nendoroid Sei Takanashi from The Saint's Power is Omnipotent. This is a KD Cole branded figure, and I don't know if it's just me, but I realized that figures under KD Cole or Kadokawa collection, yeah, this is under Kadokawa's toy line, they're a little bit more expensive than usual. I don't know if that's a common thing for all the figures, but that's just something I observed. I could be wrong. It could just be my isolated observation. She's a rather basic Nendoroid. She comes with just the usual amount of stuff you'd see in a normal Nendoroid. But like I mentioned, she's a little bit more expensive than what I'd expect for a Nendoroid of this class and of this quantity. Now to the only Figma I have in this haul. This is Figma Emily, Figma's original character for generic outfits. Now this generic outfit is a sailor body outfit. I actually have it displayed right now. What's amazing is that its skirt is very very flexible. It allows for more posing that you usually see with Figma skirts compared to, you know, the usual rubber plastic skirt. And also she has these glasses that are actually metal. They're a pain in the ass to deal with. They look very fragile. Like you actually have to cut them out of the frame. But yeah, just be careful. I have faith in you that you won't break this. Okay, now moving on. I actually ordered more kits from local distributors, more Bandai kits, and among them is my second 30-minute sister kit. This is Luluse, or Lulus, I'm not sure. Not Lelouch, not Lelouch. She's marketed as the darker skin character. I'm sure there are a lot of chocolate lovers out there. Very, very good kit. You know, these 30-minute sisters kits have very, very good plastic quality. I might say even better than master grades. They feel like they were built to be figures. The kind of plastic they use just has the right amount of grip. It's not too much, it's not too little. And the way the plastic looks, it's actually a very, very matte finished plastic. So I would argue this looks good without being painted. You don't need to paint this for it to look good. It looks amazing and premium already as is. And now to one of the more interesting parts of the haul. I actually ordered kits from the 86 anime series because I got them for a really cheap price, like really, really cheap. First we have the Juggernaut, which I'm actually more excited for. This is the Juggernaut used by the main character Shin. It also comes with a mini figure of his waifu, Lena, and a little model of Fido over here, which I believe you need to paint it fully. It comes in all gray, so that's a bummer, but I mean, it's Fido. Everybody loves Fido. Everybody, I'm sure, is willing to put in the extra effort for our best boy. And of course, if there's a Juggernaut, there's also a Regan Leaf. This is the upgrade, and it comes with a special edition. I don't know what this is. Is this like a poster or like a sleeve of 86? It looks very nice. I really like the art. I really like the art. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Will I post it on a wall or something? But it looks good. Now honestly, this version of Regan Leaf, the main character, the one piloted by Shin, is not my favorite type. My favorite type is actually the one piloted by Anju, the one that has missile pods. I like that a lot better, but the reason I got this was because it was in the set with the Juggernaut and it was really cheap. So it was really hard to say no. And I love 86. Anime of the year? No, I'm not gonna say it's anime of the year, but it's up there. It's better than Darling in the Franxx. I mean, everything is better than Darling in the Franxx. I'm gonna get so much hate from saying that. Now anyway, here's the last part of the haul. This is, I think, one of the least interesting ones, but it's something that I'm personally excited for. This is the high-grade tearing ground type. I got it for a really cheap price. It was on sale, and this is something I've been wanting since high school. I just never got the chance to get it because it was either I didn't have enough money for it or there was something else that I wanted more. But now that I have the opportunity 10 years later, or more than 10 years later, yeah, why not? It was very cheap. So yeah, that's it for my haul video. If there's anything specific you'd like me to look into, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that is all, and you have a good day.